Hello everyone, this is the video of chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Boolean and Algebra. I am already uploaded the video related to the Boolean algebra and the Boolean law. In today's video we will discuss about the question related to the Boolean's law. In this video discuss about the questions related to the Boolean law. In this video we will discuss how we can simplify the expression by using the Boolean's law. There are 9 to 10 Boolean law are available. By using this 9 law we can simplify this expression. So the question 1 is here: a dash b dash c d plus a dash b dash c dash d dash a dash b dash c dash and d. So firstly see what is the common value in this, in all the term. So here a dash and b dash, here also a dash and b dash, here also a dash and b dash. But in this video, in this part, there is a dash, b dash and c dash. Here also a dash, b dash and c dash. In these two terms, there are 3 values are common. So let's take common value between in this 2 terms. So firstly write this as it is: a dash, b dash, c d. Then take a common value, the value that is a dash, b dash, c dash and a dash, b dash, c dash. Take this 3 common value, that is a dash, b dash and c dash. So what is the value left? The value is that here is d dash. So put d dash plus and d. D dash plus d. The term is that a dash, b dash, c d plus a dash, b dash, c dash. This is the complementary law. In this part we use a complementary law. What is complementary law? A plus a dash is equal to 1. This is the complementary law. So we write here by using complementary law. By using complementary law. So by using complementary law, d dash plus d, that means a dash plus a is equal to 1. So the d dash plus d equal to 1. So in this place we have to write 1. So next, a dash, b dash, c d plus, here is a dash, b dash, c dash into 1. In any number multiply by 1, so the value is that a dash, b dash, c dash. So next one is here a dash, b dash, here also a dash, b dash. So take the common value from this 2 term, that is a dash or b dash. So take a value a dash, b dash. So what is the value left in this term? In this term there are values c and d. So here we write c and d plus, when by this term taking the a dash and b dash common value, the value left is c dash. The value is c dash. So now this is the term is a dash, b dash into c d plus d dash. So by using the distributive law, here we write by using distributive law. Distributive law. What is the distributive law? Distributive law, that means a plus b. If I am writing a plus b c equal to, value is that a plus b and a plus c. If you don't understand what is the Boolean's law and the complementary and distributive law, so please watch my previous video. So here is that by using the distributive law, we expand this value in this form. Here in the place of a, here is a c dash. So firstly write c dash plus, here is a bc. So a with b, then a with c. Here also c with c dash and c dash with c and c dash with d. So firstly write c dash plus c, then c dash plus d. C with d and c with d. C with c, c with d. So the value is that here a dash, b dash. What is the value of that? This is the 1 by using the complementary law. Here by using complementary law, the value of a plus a dash is equal to 1. So the value of c plus c dash is equal to 1, then c dash plus d. Here you can write by using using complementary law. Complementary law. So the value is that a dash, b dash, then c dash plus d. This is the complementary law. Next, we solve again by using the distributive law. So the distributive is law, that means if I am writing a plus b, so the answer is ab plus ac. This is the distributive law. This is also distributive law. In the distributive law there is two law. First one is that and the second one is that. So by using distributive law, we multiply this value by this and again we multiply this value by this. So the answer is that ab dash c dash plus multiply with d. So a dash, b dash and d. This is the answer. This is the answer. This is the simplified form of this that question. This is the simplified form. So next we move to the next question, and the next question is that here, this is the next question, p dash q plus pq dash plus p dash q dash. So in this term we firstly see what is the common value between that. Here p dash q and pq dash and p dash q dash. So in this term nothing will common, p dash q and pq dash. In this two term nothing will common. So we can take a common value with this and this. You also take a common value from this two term. So now I am taking the common value from this two terms. So here write like that and take a value. This is the, in this question q dash are common in both terms. So I am writing q dash and this is the p and p dash. P and p dash. Then in this term using complementary law, by using complementary law, p plus p dash is equal to 1. So p dash q plus q dash and by 1. So and this is q dash. So after this, this is the next here solve by distributive law. Again we using distributive law. What is the distributive law? Distributive, that means p dash q plus q dash equal to, firstly multiply with p dash q dash, then q with q dash, q with q dash. So here also p dash with q dash, p dash with q dash and q with q dash, q with q dash. So here p dash plus q dash. So the value of that is 1 by using the again complementary law. So the value of that is 1. So here p dash plus q dash. This is the answer. Or you can also solve the next step. Next step is that by using De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem. What is De Morgan theorem? De Morgan theorem, that means if any value contain a negative, that is p dash is negative, then change into the positive or without dash. So here is a p with p and q with q dash with q, and the plus sign convert into dot, and this is the whole dash. This is the form of De Morgan theorem. This is the answer of that question. You can also write this and this, both are correct. Next we move to the next question. Next question is that in the last of the video I am also give a question for you, and subscribe my channel for the next video. Here the question is that a dash bc plus a dash b dash c plus a dash b dash c. So firstly see what is the common value between all this term. Here a dash, here also a dash, here also a dash, and the b dash, no, here is not b dash, but in with two term there is a b dash. So take a two common value between these two terms. So here you write a dash b c, take a two common value, that means a dash b dash, here also a dash b dash, to take a common a dash b dash. So what is left here is c, and in this term there is a c dash, here is a c dash. So a dash b c plus a dash b dash. What is this? This is the, by using complementary law, c plus c dash is equal to 1. So here is a 1. So the answer is that for this one is a dash b dash. After that again there is a one common value between this, there is a dash. So take a common value a dash. What is the left? That is bc plus b dash. Now we can use a distributive property. To solve this question. Distributive property, b plus b dash and c plus b dash. Here b dash with v and b with c. b plus b dash, then c plus b dash. This is the distributive property. After that here again b plus b dash is 1 by using complementary law, then c plus b dash. So here is that a dash c plus b dash. So this is the answer, or you can solve one more term, that is a dash c plus a dash multiply with b dash. So a dash multiply with b dash. This is the answer, or this is the simplified of question of that question. So next we move to the next question. In this question we have to prove, not simplify, we have to prove that the solution of this question is a dash. So let's start from the LHS part. LHS, that means this is the LHS part. So we have to write like that, a plus b dash whole dash. So firstly here is a plus b whole dash of a plus b, here also whole dash of a plus b dash. So this is the whole dash. So we can solve by using De Morgan theorem, because in this firstly we using De Morganization. So by De Morgan theorem. So by using De Morgan theorem, a is converted with a dash, plus is converted with dot, and b is converted with b dash. Then again plus, this plus is not converted because in this term there is not a whole dash of that. If in the whole dash is there, so this plus is also converted with dot sign. So next again a converted with a dash, plus converted with dot, and here b dash converted with b. So answer is that. So again a dash into b dash plus a dash into v. In this two term there is a one common value. The one common value is a dash. So we have to take a common value a dash, and the value that is left b dash plus b. So what is the value of that? Again we using the complementary law. The complementary law, that means b dash plus b is 1. Then a dash into 1 is a. So the LHS part converted into a dash equal to RHS part. So here we write LHS part equal to the RHS part, and hence proved. That is proved. Next, this is the fourth question of simplified expression. This is the question for you. You can solve this question and write the answer in the comment section. It is compulsory for all student of my 12th class computer science student. This question is related to prove the value. There is a LHS part and RHS part. You have to prove this two value. If you can prove all this question, So you have to write into comment section with the name. Suppose like name. Write your name and write done. Thank you, and please solve this question. This is compulsory for you. Thank you.